Hello students, how are you all? I hope all are well, right? So today you have to prepare with your English textbook as well as your capital cursive workbook. है ना सबके पास? Okay, so be ready with this. Okay, so first of all open your English textbook. Okay, so open the English textbook page number 23. Come on. Okay, we had done till letter U. So today we are going to see the further letters. Okay, so what is this letter? Come on, tell me. Okay, first of all put today's date, 12th of October. 1 to 12 standing line 10th. Okay, 12th of October. Okay, now tell me what is this letter? This is letter V. The capital V they have given, and this is small v. V says was. This is a was. Was. This is was. Okay, was is one kind of flower part. Okay, so what is spelling of was? V-A-S-E, was. So we have to trace the spelling of the was. Come on, start tracing the spelling of was. V-A-S-E, was. V-A-S-E, was. V-A-S-E, was. Okay, come on, trace करो जल्दी से. Okay, and coloring will be your homework. And one more thing I want to tell you students, that I have seen who are the students sending me the homework. They have colored the pictures very nicely, seriously. So very good students, those who are completing the homework regularly and coloring the picture very nicely. Congratulations to all. Okay, so coloring will be your homework. Okay, now be ready with your pencils to read the sentence. Ready ho sab log? Sab log ready ho? Okay, so put your pencils on the first word. L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely. L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers, lovely flowers in a vase. So sentence is lovely flowers in a vase. Got it? वास में कैसे फ्लावर्स है? बहुत ही प्यारे प्यारे. वास में कैसे फ्लावर्स है? बहुत ही प्यारे प्यारे फ्लावर्स है. उन प्यारे प्यारे फ्लावर को आप बहुत अच्छे रंग देने वाले हैं ना. यू आर गोइंग टू कलर दिस फ्लावर्स वेरी नाइसली. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. B-R-I-N-G, bring. J-O-Y, joy. Joy मतलब happiness. O-N, on. T-H-E, the. F-A-C-E, face. So sentence is bring joy on the face. है ना, फ्लावर को देखते ही हमारे चेहरे पे मुस्कान आती है ना, हैप्पीनेस आती है कि नहीं? Yes, so that is the sentence. So the full sentence is lovely flowers in a vase bring joy on the face. Got the sentence? So you are going to circle the word lovely, flowers and vase. Okay, next joy, and the last one is F-A-C-E, face. These words you are going to write three times. You know now everyone? Okay, now let's start with the filling the missing letter. This is what is this? This is hive. This is beehive. Honeybee का ये घर है. This is a beehive. So what is spelling of hive? H-I-V-E, hive. H-I-V-E, hive. Right? H-I-V-E, hive. Next, this is van. This is van. V-A-V-A-N, van. This is vest. This is vest. V-E-S-T, vest. And this is dove. This is dove. D-O-V-E, dove. Got it everyone? Okay, so filling the letter also you are going to write three times. So let's come to the next letter. This is letter V के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? V के बाद W आता है. V के बाद W. This is capital W they have given and small w. W says wagon. wagon. Okay, so spelling of wagon is W-A-G-O-N, wagon. W-A-G-O-N, wagon. So come on, trace the spelling of wagon. W-A-G-O-N, wagon. W-A-G-O-N, wagon. Okay, wagon मतलब गाड़ी का एक डिब्बा, मालगाड़ी का जो डिब्बा होता है उनको क्या बोलते हैं? वैगन बोलते हैं. Got it everyone? So coloring will be your homework. Okay, so let's read the sentence. Okay, ready with your pencil now? Okay, the wagon, T-H-E, the, W-A-G-O-N, wagon, S-O, so, F-U-L-L, full. The wagon, so, full. So circle the wagon and circle the full. Okay, come to the next sentence. H-O-W, how, H-A-R-D, hard, T-O-2, P-U-L-L, pull. How hard to pull. Okay, so circle the hard and circle the pull. Pull matlab खींचना. Pull matlab खींचना. Got it? So sentence is the wagon so full. How hard to pull. Okay, so complete everyone. Complete no? Okay, now let's come to the filling the missing letter. This is cow. This is cow. C-O-W, cow. This is number 2. T-W-O, 2. T-W-O, 2. This is wolf. This is wolf. W-O-L-F, wolf. And this is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Complete till this? Everyone completed? Completed now everyone? Okay, now let's come to the next letter. This is letter X. This is letter X. Capital X they have given and small x they have given. X, X-ray. X, X-ray. Okay, so let's trace the spelling of X-ray. X, slipping line, R-A-Y, X-ray. X, R-A, spelling of X-ray. X-R-A-Y, X-ray. X-R-A-Y, X-ray. X-R-A-Y, X-ray. Okay, complete everyone? Okay, so coloring will be your homework. Okay, so let's read the sentence. T-H-E, the, D-O-G, this is apostrophe. This is called apostrophe. Apostrophe S, dogs, the dogs X-ray. The dogs X-ray. So you are going to circle the X-ray. L-O-O-K-S, looks. A-L-L, all. O-K-A-Y, okay. So you are going to circle okay. So what is the sentence? The dog's X-ray looks all okay. Got it everyone? Got the sentence? Okay. Okay, so come to the filling the missing letter. This is what? This is ox. This is ox. O-X, ox. Got it? What is this picture? This is a box. B-O-X, box. This is fox. F-O-X, fox. And this is number 6. S-I-X, 6. So students, I hope everyone is finished till letter X. Okay, now I want you to open your capital cursive workbook. Capital cursive workbook. Page number 4. Chalo, open karo. Okay, so put today's date. What is today's date? 12th of October. Okay, so on this page we have to complete this pattern. We have to complete the pattern. Everyone ready? Okay, so come on, trace the lines. Trace the lines. See the direction. See the arrow they have given. We have to draw the lines according to the arrow. So arrow. This arrow is from the above to bottom, from top to bottom. We have to draw the line from top to the bottom. And on the see the lines 1, 2, 3. From the first 3 lines we have to draw this line from the top to bottom. ऊपर से नीचे तक हम लोग को ये लाइन ट्रेस करनी है. Come on, ट्रेस करो. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here, see, these two columns they have given the draw the lines from the left to right. Now these lines we have to draw from right to left. समझ में आ रहा है ना? एक लेफ्ट से स्लैंटिंग लाइन है, एक राइट से स्लैंटिंग लाइन है. गॉट इट एवरीवन? देखो ठीक से. हाँ, so now this line also we have to draw from the top to bottom. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Again 1 2 3 4. Okay, so you have to trace the below lines also, the same pattern. Okay, now here, now we have to draw the lines. So they have given, if you notice, they have given the dots also to join the lines. So we are going to join the dots. Okay, so can you see now? Yes, so join the dots. 1 2 3 4. As you can see, दिख रहा है सबको? Again in the next column 1 2 3 4. मेरे साथ कर रहे हो ना? Okay, join the dots. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Got it? Again next. Okay, the same way you have to complete this page. Complete this page and this page. Okay everyone, now turn the page. Turn the next page. Page number 6. Page number 6. So here they have given the curve. They have given the curve. See, if you can see, the arrow is from, see like this. Capital C we are writing, no? The same way we have to draw this pattern. This is a curve. This is a curve. And see, check the lines. First 3 lines they have drawn the curve. Okay. So everyone please trace that pattern. Everyone. Yes. Okay. Okay, now this is a C we have drawn. So same as they have given the other curve. Okay. So it is a ulta C. You can see this. See the face of the C? The face of the C is towards the left side, right? अच्छे से करना है. सबको आ रहा है ना? Okay, now let's join the dots. See, put your pencil on the dot. Dot के ऊपर pencil रखो. Okay, now draw the C. Capital C हम लोग निकालते हैं ना? वैसे निकालना है. देखो, again. कैपिटल सी निकालते हैं हम लोग, वैसे ही आपको सी निकालना है. सब लोग का आर यू एबल टू राइट? नो? यस. आर यू एबल टू ड्रॉ दिस कर्व? ओके, सो सिंपल नो इट इज. ओके, नाउ दिस सी वी आर ओवर. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द नेक्स्ट पैटर्न. Okay, the same way you have to complete the whole page as well as this page. Okay, now again I'm telling you, homework you have to show me on Friday. No need to show me on the next day. You can show me on Friday. Got it everyone? Okay, now so today's homework and okay students, so today's homework and tomorrow's homework you can show me on Friday. You can send me the homework with your name on Friday itself. I will ask you on Friday. Okay students, so till then, bye.